It's Creepy Knee. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and that you are in the best of health. My mother always told me that, son, money don't grow on trees. And some kids think that. Okay, they think that some parents have a reservoir full of money. Some of them don't. The door of opportunity. Remember this. Get this part. The door of opportunity has a short shelf life. When you reach a certain age, that means if you're going to do something with your life, you have to get that door and find that door and see that door and walk in that door. Because if you walk around it and try to go through the back door, you won't have success. So, first of all, I would say, for the young person that's about to graduate, the person that's already got a degree that's in college, and you get ready to come out here and find a job, whatever your country you want to be in, or you want to stay in the US of A, stay in the box, whatever you do, make sure it is a career job that will bring in benefits when you retire. You don't want to retire with nothing, especially if you haven't saved nothing. Because my mother, again, always told me that nothing from nothing leaves nothing. So this is what you should be teaching your children, parents, at a very, very young age. The age of accountability where they understand things. That's when you should be pouring into them. You don't wait till they get to 40, 50 years old and try to tell them about a career, because by then, it's too late. Unless they hit the jackpot, hit the lottery or something. Okay, so I started preaching this to my two sons. Okay, and they didn't listen. Either one of them listened to the advice that I gave them. Success can't happen by laying on the couch, because that's a bad example. And some of you parents allow your kids to lay around and do absolutely nothing. And if you continue to do that, you're being a contributor to their future of do nothing. Many of our kids don't want to work because they're happy with where they are. So we as parents must encourage our kids to start early so they can end strong. It's what we allow as parents will determine our kids' outcome. It's what we allow our kids to get away with and to do will determine their outcome as adults. Some steal from you, because mine did, when they are broke. Many adult kids forget to respect their parents, no matter what. It is a dangerous mindset to live your life always needing something or someone else to take care of you, when you have the God-given ability to take care of yourself and do it yourself. Now, if you notice, I'm filming inside today because outside that wind is crazy for some reason. And you see the palm trees just bouncing all over the place. Welcome to the Caribbean. If you want to be grown too fast in your house to your parents, I'm talking to kids. If you want to grow up and be grown too fast and you want to call the shots to your parents who's paying all the bills, then you need to be released to the streets. Get your own apartment, pay your own bills, and do that grown folk stuff. And by doing that, you can show the world and show your parents that you can survive by yourself. That's a good sign. That is an excellent sign, because For the most part, there's some grown folks that still live with their parents. Now, either they're taking care of them, or either they just don't have nothing else because they didn't do anything else with their lives. So again, couch junkies don't want to work. A lot of you know exactly what I'm talking about. Bad habits are hard to break. Many won't take out even the trash because they're lazy, with a capital L. Some of them are even never grateful for what you've done for them or continue to do for them. They're just not grateful. And some of them want to leave your house so fast, they say, I can't wait to get out of here. Well, listen, once you get 18, goodbye. See you. Parents, you should never co-sign your kids' BS. Did you get that part? Parents, you should never co-sign your kids' BS. Stop being their best friend and start being their parent. And show them the real leadership. And don't worry about upsetting them. Don't worry about hurting their feelings. Because the police don't mind hurting their feelings. The justice system don't mind hurting their feelings. And you saying you want to relocate, move, go to another place, but you're concerned in your mind, how are my kids doing? Well, if you give them some principles of life, you can begin your own life at 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and begin to chart their own path, and you don't have to worry about them forever. There comes to that point. Either they're going to make the right choices or the bad choices. It's totally up to them. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life to be enjoyed. Hit that description, notification, thumbs up. And let me see your comments down below concerning this video.